Okay, this is tutorial number 2 for the line down simulation. We're going to learn how to apply the ground wires, grabbing our tools for that, and also flying the bucket truck. So this prompt just says we're going to walk through the proper steps, testing and applying grounds. So if you look to the right, you'll see the bucket truck over there, and to the left will be the pickup truck. So go ahead and teleport over to the back of the pickup truck and turn to the right so you can pull up your inventory menu without it being blocked by the pickup truck. Once you do that, click on inventory, move over to the pickup truck, and you'll see all the highlighted tools there. Those are the ones you're going to need for this tutorial. Just go ahead and click on those using your right controller, using your right trigger finger, and you point the white line at that to pick them up. Now teleport back over to the bucket truck, and you will click on that green box, using your hand, and then using your middle finger trigger to select it. Now go ahead to fly the bucket, use your right hand and pull up on the handle using your middle finger trigger to fly it, and it flies just like a regular bucket truck. You twist it, you pull up, push in, out, and it'll fly just like a bucket truck. Now you can go ahead, fly into the poles, the wire. It won't do anything, it won't break anything, so you don't have to worry about that. So our first step is pull up our inventory and grab our wire tester. It's a noisy tester, and to grab it, just use it like we did our extendo stick. Hold it using your middle finger trigger and pull it up next to that wire until it turns green. If it's dead, it will turn green. If it will beep if the wire is hot. So go ahead, pick up all used tools, and now we will grab our wire brush. Go ahead and grab that with either your left hand or right hand using your middle finger trigger to hold onto it, and just go ahead and put it up to the wire. You don't actually have to brush it, it just simulates it for you. So you can either hold onto it and fly down or put it back in your inventory. Once you fly down, do the same thing to your neutral. Just put it up to the wire and it'll brush itself. Go ahead and put the wire brush away, bringing up our inventory and clicking on pick up all used tools, and then make sure you grab your grounding wire first. Move that out of the way if you have to, and then grab your shotgun. This part's a little tricky. You're going to have to pull the shotgun back towards you so you can connect it onto the grounding clamp. So you might have to use two hands using that middle finger trigger. And then once you get the end of the shotgun close to that grounding clamp, that little red bubble is going to pop up. Once that red bubble pops up, use your index finger trigger to grab it. Holding down on the index finger trigger and your middle finger trigger, move that grounding clamp near the neutral. As soon as the neutral turns red, just let go of the index finger trigger and it will connect itself. So go ahead and bring back up your inventory, pick up all used tools, then grab the grounding wire with your left hand and fly up in the bucket using your right hand. Bring back up your inventory to grab the shotgun. You're probably going to have to move the grounding wire so you can get that in a better position to grab with your shotgun, but it's going to be the same thing. Move the shotgun back towards you until that little red bubble pops up using your index finger trigger to connect it. And then as soon as you get close to the wire, just release your index finger trigger and it'll connect by itself. Now that we're done with that, pick up all used tools, look towards the front of the bucket, switch to groundman, just move your hand towards that green box and use your middle finger trigger. Teleport to the bottom of the pole, bring back up your inventory, grab your pole tag, use your middle finger trigger to slap that onto the pole, just release it and it'll go back on by itself. That's all it is for the grounding tutorial. Just go ahead and exit, and then exit to the main menu.